Assalamu alaikum. Hello children. So in the previous class, we have completed the hunters and the gatherers, right? So let's come for the next page number 207 from your social reader. The inventions of tools, right? So when was the invention took place? So the human being found that it was not easy to dig for a root with the bare hands, right? So in the early stages, what they did, they just with the hand they uprooted the roots of the plants, and but it was very difficult because it gets the hands will get the harm, but then it's very difficult to do that. So what they think that why don't we use some tools to instead of our hands, right? So and or kills animal with ordinary stones. Why don't we require some nice tools? Why didn't, right? So they started sharpening and polishing the stones. They made some weapon with the stones, bones and words. So by that they made some for the killing the animals with the rock. Instead of that, they made the tools with the rock, stones, and bones, woods. Right? So the early weapon was the wooden club. Later, they made spears and axes. They found it easy to kill the animal and cut the meat with the weapon. They ate the meat raw. Right? So this kind of inventions of tool has been taken place after the very difficulty was taken in the early stages. So and even after killing the animal also they does not cook the meat at all. They just eat it the raw animal as it is, right? So the tool used by the early human beings, you can see here. Let's come in the early houses. So the early human beings found that they did not want to live in the open. They did not want to be unprotected in the sun or the rain. So the early human beings found that they did not want to live in the open spaces. In the early stages, most of the people live in a jungle in the open space, right? So but after the getting the centuries, so they decided that we are not safe in the open places and they do not want unprotected in the sun and the rain, the sun rays which falls on us, the rains which come through these, beside the wild animals which will be harm for us crawling through the forest. As a result, they started living in a caves, like a den on a trees to save from wild animals and from bad weather. So after that they started living in a cage and making a house or shelter in the trees to protect themselves from the wild animals as well as from the bad weathers. Okay, let's come see living in cages. Discovery of fire. Early man beings did not know how to light a fire, right? So early human beings did not know how to light the fire. They did not even know, like nowadays we require matchsticks, lighters to get the fire easily we can do that. But in the early stages they don't know about the matchsticks, matchbox you say, the lighter which we use for the gas stoves, right? So what they did, let's listen to me carefully. They may have seen the forest fire started by lightning and learned that the fire gives heat. So after that they started gathering towards the lightning started by and learned that the fire gave the heat. So maybe one day someone was rubbing two stones together to break and polish them. So what happened one day among themselves, what they did is they rubbed the two stones together in a speed manner to get the polish. But what happened? Let's see. It is possible that the spark came out of the stone and some dry leaves caught fire. So they learned how to light a fire. So suddenly what happened? A single spark came out of that stones and hit the dry leaf which caught the fire, right? So by this they understood that learn how to light the fire. Okay, so let's continue in the next class. I hope you understand all the information which I have given you. Okay, be safe and be healthy. Allah Hafiz.